What happens when you add Gorgonzola cheese to lasagna? Is it a genius move, or does it turn your classic lasagna into a disaster? Stick around to find out how this bold ingredient can transform your dish into something truly extraordinary. Do you want 20 free lasagna recipes? Click the link in bio, it is totally free. When you add Gorgonzola to your lasagna, it introduces a robust flavor that's both creamy and tangy. The cheese adds a layer of complexity that's not typically found in traditional lasagna. It balances the richness of the ricotta and mozzarella, cutting through the heaviness and giving your lasagna a bold, savory twist. This depth of flavor doesn't overpower the dish. It complements the richness of the ricotta, mozzarella, and savory sauce. The sharpness of the Gorgonzola balances out the other cheeses, creating a layered, mouth-watering experience. It's not just the flavor. Gorgonzola also has an amazing impact on texture. When it melts, it creates a creamy, velvety sauce that coats every layer of your lasagna. This smooth texture contrasts beautifully with the pasta and gives the lasagna a richer, more indulgent mouthfeel. Gorgonzola adds that extra layer of creaminess, making the lasagna feel more luxurious without being too heavy. The cheese melts effortlessly, giving your lasagna a velvety finish that enhances every bite. Gorgonzola's sharp, tangy taste doesn't just work with cheese, it pairs wonderfully with meats like ground beef, pork, or even a bolognese sauce. The cheese's boldness contrasts perfectly with the richness of the meat, creating a balanced flavor profile that will surprise and delight your taste buds. The richness of the Gorgonzola is balanced by the savory flavors of the meat, while the creamy texture enhances the overall mouthfeel. This makes for a lasagna that's not only delicious, but also different from anything you've had before. So, is Gorgonzola the right choice for your lasagna? If you love bold, flavorful dishes and creamy textures, then it's definitely worth a try. But if you're not a fan of blue cheese, it might be too strong for your taste. Do you want 20 free lasagna recipes? Click the link in bio, it is totally free. Gorgonzola isn't for everyone, but if you're looking to add a sophisticated twist to your classic lasagna, it's the perfect choice. Just make sure you're ready for a flavor-packed bite. Ready to elevate your lasagna game? Try Gorgonzola in your next lasagna and taste the difference for yourself. Click the link below to get the full recipe and discover 20 more lasagna recipes that will make you the lasagna expert of your kitchen. Don't miss out. Grab them now.